Good morning. My name is Mohammad Humayun Kabir. I am from MC department in Bhantech University. I have done one project in this final year. The name of my project is Effective Packet Analyzing and Filtering System for ATM Network. What I am going to do is that the packet is the message is to be sent from source to destination machine via the router machine. And what are the results are being occurred, we can view through in router machine in router. All these will view in the slide. Let's go. Good morning. The name of my project is Effective Packet Analyzing and Filtering System for ATM Network. The objective of my project is to send the message from source to destination machine via the router machine. This is the abstract of my project, where to minimize the congestion within a network where the cells are going to be discarded, that need to be controlled in this project. This is the about my company. I have done the project in CMC Limited. It headquarters in New Delhi. This is the hardware and software requirements of my project. I have developed the project in Java technology. This is the existing and proposed system of my project, where in existing system the packets are undelivered. These are the source module, destination module and router module. This is the data flow diagram of my project, where the message are divided into 48 bytes and goes to the router machine. Routers, using the two algorithm, it sends to the destination machine. In destination machines, it combines all the packets and it brings into a form of message. This is the use case diagram where user and the actor takes place in use case diagram. This is the screenshot of my source module, where I need to provide my destination machine name or IP address and then input the message. This is the router which is handled, login part which is handled by the administrator. These are the menu where I can view all the details of my packets coming from source and it sends to the destination machine. By selecting the option 1, we can view the what are the message I get blocked in the router machine and what are the packets, how the packets are forwarded and how the packets are going to be income from the source machine, that I can view in listening. This is the switching. Switching has are of three types. This is forwarding, discarding and filtering. By selecting the various option, I can forward the packets from source to destination machine. These are the codings of my project. This is the I created text box, control panel, message details, menu, etc. This is the code for destination, how the destination machine address has been providing the destination machine address. These are the router coding, where I create menu items, etc. Testing. Testing is an important part for developing the software. Unit testing and integration testing is done for every project for developing the software. These are the test case details, that what type of test I need to do, how to test, what are the input parameters, and what are the actual result. This is the conclusion of my project, that at a time only one message can be sent from source to the destination machine. This is the references of the book, the programming with Java black book, where I took the help of with the few codings, and that I can develop my software. Thank you.